In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your target audience in Google Workspace. Knowing who your audience is can significantly enhance your communication strategies and optimize your productivity. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started with Google Workspace, these steps will help you easily access your audience information. First, let's begin by heading over to Google Workspace. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Workspace website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the admin console. This console is the central hub for managing your organization's Google services, and finding it is straightforward. Typically, you can spot it among the options displayed upon logging into your Google Workspace account. After clicking on the admin console, the next step is to log in using your business email. Ensure you have the correct credentials handy. Type your business email in the appropriate field and then click on Next. This will prompt you to enter your password. Once you've entered your password, proceed by clicking on Sign In. Successful login takes you one step closer to your goal. Now that you're in the admin console, direct your attention to the top right of the page where you'll see the Google Apps menu. This menu looks like a collection of 9 small squares or dots, often referred to as the App Launcher. Click on this menu to reveal a range of application options. Within this menu, look for the admin icon. The admin section is where we can make various adjustments related to your organization's Google Workspace account. Click on the admin icon to continue. From here, what you want to do next is navigate to the directory section. For those who might be unfamiliar, the directory is an essential part of the admin console where user management takes place. It's also where you'll find the target audiences option. You could think of the directory as the address book for your organization within Google Workspace, housing all relevant information about your users. Now it's time to click on Target Audiences. Here is where the magic happens. You'll see the segment of your audience that you're targeting. Reviewing this information provides insight into how your communication efforts are aligning with different parts of your organization or external audiences. Using this data, you can tailor outreach and interaction to ensure that it is as effective as possible. And that's how you view your target audience in Google Workspace. By following these easy steps, you can gain valuable insights into your audience and adjust your strategies accordingly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your Google Workspace experience.